Anak ko, binili ko to para sa'yo. Bagay sa'yo to. Ang ganda, diba? Wow, Nay, ang ganda. Parang feeling yan pag sinuot ko yan. Sana may ganyan din ako pagandang damit kagaya ni ate. Ayan, marunong ka na magdilig, anak. Ang dali lang pala nito, Nay. I love you, anak. Mahal din kita, Nay. Sana may ganyan din kaming banding ni nanay. Gutom na ako. Nay, may ulam pa? Ay, sorry, anak.
Crispy pepperoni potato salad. We're going to take these pepperonis here, line them on our baking sheet, and press down our already cooked potatoes. We're going to add some Parmesan cheese to really get a nice crispy crust on those potatoes. Pull all of this up, and we're just going to blend it all together in a bowl here. We're going to add some salad dressing, a little bit. Crispy rice, salmon, sushi. This is a great way to have your sushi at home. You just need a waffle maker. I've got some Japanese rice here that I had already cooked off. Make sure to pour a nice soy sauce over the tops of your rice because it's going to caramelize the rice while it cooks in the waffle iron and also give it that beautiful color and nice, delicious soy sauce taste. We're just going to cook these up until they're nice and crispy, and in the meantime, make your salmon. I just have some minced salmon. I add some mayo, sriracha, soy sauce. The crispy sushi bowl. This is an all-in-one sushi bowl. That's right. You can eat the bowl of this. We're just going to take our rice, press it in between our two bowls here, pop that into the fridge so you have a nice solidified little rice bowl here, and then I'm going to cover it in flour, a little bit of egg wash here, and then go straight into our breadcrumbs so it is nice and crispy when we fry this up like this. We're going to let that dry off some of the excess, and then fill it up with all of our fillings here. I have some avocado, some salmon, a little cream cheese, and then we're going to hit it with some sesame seeds, chives, a little bit of soy sauce, and enjoy, guys.
Kanser ako. Anak! Ate! Hello, Bes. Sinundan ko si Miguel.
Bes, anong nakita mo? May iba na ba siya?
Confirm. May kabit yung jowa mo.
Ha? Sino naman magiging kapit niya?
Kabit
Croissant
si
breakfast
Scarlett.
pie. You use your Pillsbury
Hello, Bes.
croissants right from the freezer, and now I've got pie crust right on the bottom here, and I'm going to mix bacon, egg,
gagawin
cheese,
niyo sa
and
akin?
sausage all together right in the middle to form a frittata. And now you've
Tama
got
na.
Bakit ka
Cookies out of croissants. These are going to be so delicious, soft on the inside and nice, crispy, and delicious on the outside. We're going to start by just smashing our croissant dough right into our sugar. Make sure both sides are fully coated before we head into our baking sheet here, 350 degrees, until they are gorgeous and golden and crispy, soft in the center. We're going to do some different toppings here. I'm using white chocolate, milk chocolate, and dark chocolate. On the white chocolate, I'm going to go ahead and put some strawberry bits along with some brownie bites. Then I'm going to come through with a drizzle of peanut butter and some Reese's Bits on the top here. And then, of course, we want to go with a classic s'more topping on our other ones. Break these off and enjoy. You guys are going to absolutely love this.
Grabe, Bes! Kung ano-ano na ginawa sa'yo, ang ganda mo pa din!
Be, thanks to the perfect stay, velvet mat cushion, na Skin TV. Bago ako pumunta dito para sa Miguel, nag-apply na ako nito. Dahil long-lasting ito, high coverage and waterproof. Sigurado all day fresh ka. Talaga ba? O ito.
Croissant crusted cheesecake. Here I have a graham cracker crust, and I'm just lining my cheesecake pan with these defrosted store-bought.
Ang gagaling nyo din, no? At may tagapagligtas ka pa? Si Samantha?
Serve it with your favorite strawberry
Ikaw
sauce.
ba yan?
Add some strawberry
Anong ibig
garnish.
sabihin
Croissant,
nito? O, diba?
deep dish
Ako
pizza.
ang
I've got
tunay na
croissant
jowa
sliced
nito
in
ni
half,
Miguel.
and I'm
At
gonna layer
ikaw,
the bottom of my cast
kabit
iron
ka lang.
with the bottom of the croissants,
Walang
and then
iya
go
ka.
around the rim with the top of the croissants to form the crust. You typically
Pero
eat
babe,
croissants with
ikaw
ham
na
and
mahal
cheese,
ko
so why
ngayon.
not try it with pepperoni
Ano
and
mga
cheese?
itsura niyan? Wala akong pake! Magsama kayo ng pakit na yan! Lumayas na kayo dito! Ang dadrama nyo, ha? Basta ako, ganda lang ang ambag ko.
Orange cream cheese frosting.
Ayan, bilisan mo! Purin mo na! Nay, alam mo, adik ka na dyan sa pinapanood mo. Eh, kasi naman anak, nakakahuk tong batang Quiapo. O siya na, Nay, sa kwarto muna ako, ha? O sige na, anak, tapusin ko lang to, ha? Ala, yan yung mga kalaban! Bilisan mo!
Into the spoon and take out the We'll save this cake
Sino
for
kumakatok?
our cake pop.
Wala
Just
namang
gonna fill
tao.
it up with a little bit of cream cheese. And we're gonna
Lo,
get
tapos na agad? Nakakabitin.
our candy melts.
Sino kumakatok?
The excess.
Hello? May tao ba dyan? Nay, may narinig ka bang kumakatok? Ah, oo anak. Eh parang wala naman tao sa labas eh. Nay, minumulto na ata tayo. Ah! Ah, sino yun? Ano gagawin natin anak? Lalabas ako anak. Nay, wag please.
Deliver to.
Ay! 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 Ano ba problema nyo ha? Kanina ba ako katok na katok dito? Bingi ba kayo? Ay, sorry. Kasi gantong oras ka nagdi-deliver eh.
O, eto. Pinapamigay ni Coco Martin.
Totoo ba? Wow, Nay! Di ba pinapanood mo yun? Si Coco Martin? Unbox na natin, Nay! Uy, may pa-letter pa sa akin si Coco Martin. Siya pala may-ari nito, anak. Wow, ang dami nilang pinadala, Nay. Tamang-tama, anak. Madami tayong hugasin ngayon. Binyagan mo na to. Kaya kayo, abangan nyo na to dahil available na to sa TikTok Shop starting at 11:11. I-follow nyo lang ang @bida ng TikTok. O anak, bilisan mo dyan ha. Gamitin na natin to. Wow, ang bula! Tapos ang bango pa! Tapos ang mura pa! Kaya bida talaga sa bulsa! Grabe ang linis! Araw-araw ko nang gagamitin to! Nay, punta tayo sa mall. Wag muna ngayon anak ha. Madami kailangan na tapusin na trabaho si nanay.
Ah, sige po, Nay. Palagi nilang busy si nanay. Ako na lang mag-isa lalabas.
Strawberry shortcake. I'm going to show you here how you create a beautiful decoration for the next dinner party. So here I have some chocolate. Red, green, and yellow to create my strawberry end. Once you pop the balloon, you have the perfect decoration. With some cake here and cream, I'm going to do a little shortcake with fresh strawberries or cream and cake. You're going to do it on the bowl and unmold it like this directly on your plate. Cover it with the rest of your cream. I'm going to add some strawberries and some mint leaves to make a beautiful shortcake, and voila! Enjoy!
Mare! Yung anak mo! Mare! Nasa inyo na naman yung anak ko? Pasensya ka na ha, makulit talaga yun. Mare! Patay na yung anak mo! Natagpuan nilang wala ng buhay kasi natuklaw siya ng ahas. Bakit di mo siya binabantayan ha? Ano?
Deep fried s'more bite. I've got a jumbo marshmallow here with a heated up knife to pierce the inside so we can insert our chocolate. Now, just put a skewer right in there, and now we can coat our marshmallow and pancake batter with some graham cracker crumbs on the inside to make it that classic s'more flavor. You got your graham crackers, marshmallow, and s'mores all on the inside.
Ay, punta tayo sa mall. Anak,
Deep fried s'more,
buhay
guys. This is
ka.
going to make your carnival
Sige,
dreams come
anak,
true. We're taking our
labas
giant
tayo.
marshmallow
Punta
here,
tayo
dipping
ng
it
mall.
into egg whites,
Yay,
and then
pumunta
straight
kami
into
ng
our crushed up
mall.
graham crackers. I'm going to do a double dip here
nag-enjoy
just
ka
to
ba
make
sa
sure it is
mall?
super crispy
Opo,
and
Nay,
loaded with that
nag-enjoy
graham cracker
talaga
flavor.
ako.
And then we're going to go straight into our hot oil here at
Kaso,
350 degrees.
nagugutom na
Just
ako,
until it's
Nay.
nice and golden
Kumain ka
brown.
na,
It should only
anak.
take a
May
few
tira
seconds.
pang pagkain
And your
dyan sa
marshmallow is
lamesa.
cooked to
May
perfection.
aasikasuhin na
What
ako
is a
trabaho.
s'more without
Ha?
chocolate? We're
Sige
going to
po,
drizzle dark
Nay.
chocolate across the top of these
Ang
s'mores.
sarap!
All-in-one fried s'more ready. Stuffed deep fried Thanksgiving turkey. This is a secret family recipe here. My uncle always deep fries a turkey for Thanksgiving, so we are going to do this, stuffing it up with our favorite stuffing here, and then just tie your turkey up until it is completely covering all sides of that stuffing. Put it on our hook here, and we're going to slowly lower it into our cooking oil. It's got a large pot here, and we just want to cook this low and slow. It's going to take time for the legs and the breasts of your turkey to be cooked. It is crispy on the outside, but also super tender and juicy in the center. You can see we've got that beautiful stuffing.
Deep dish pepperoni loaf pizza like you've never seen before, guys. Check it out. We're gonna come through and butter up our dish with the garlic butter, line it up with some nice pepperonis, and right after that, we're gonna come through, obviously, with our nice pizza dough. We cut up some strips, so all you really need is one dough, and that's gonna be enough for the whole thing. We're gonna go ahead and line it up this way, and then cross it to make sure that it is all covered up. Go ahead and press it down, and as soon as you're ready, we're gonna come through with the cheese. We're gonna come through with the pepperoni, and of course, we cannot forget this nice tomato sauce. Here we go, nice, and cheese it up all the way. Pepperoni it up. Here we go, and as soon as we got that, we're gonna come through with one more cheese layer, just like that. We got the pepperonis folded in. And we're gonna go ahead and butter it up nicely. Here we go, guys. All we gotta do now is send it to the oven and enjoy it. Here we go. We're gonna go ahead and finish off the top. Put some more mozzarella, pepperoni into the oven. Here we go. It'll go in for about 20 minutes. Comes back out, flip it over, and enjoy. Check it out, guys. This is one you've never seen before. Enjoy it.
Naglutuan ka ni
Dino
Scarlett.
breakfast pancake. I'm just using 2 ingredients
Nay,
today. We have
ano
3
po
strips of
yung
bacon and our
pagkain
pancake batter in our
Ano
little
yun,
bottle
Nay,
here.
ang
We're just going to
bago?
draw
Ay,
out
anak,
a little dinosaur. You can let your kids
paano
help you with this. This is so fun for them to do here, and then serve it with maple syrup and some scrambled eggs.
Sige, Nay.
Dinosaur quesadilla. We are going to put some
Tao
ham
po,
and cheese right into the
delivery
side
po.
here of our quesadilla.
Ano po
Flip it
yun? Kay
over,
Susan
pop out the
po,
little holes here to
importante
make
daw
his
po.
body,
Si
and then we're going to
Nanay.
utilize every piece
Ako
of
na
our
lang po
quesadilla here
magbibigay
of
sa
that tortilla
kanya.
by making his feet, his
Nay,
horns, his
may
little face, all of the
nagpapabigay po
details you
na
need,
kasi.
and then go ahead and serve this up.
Bigas mo ba ito, anak? Hindi po, Nay. Huwag na magluto ba sa akin, ha? Mamalengke lang ako ng uulamin natin, ha? Huwag ka muna magbantay ng bahay. Ano yun? Sobrang baho naman. Ang galing yun. Tay, nagpupo ka na naman, no? Yung envelope ko, ah. Death certificate? Hindi na napatay si tatay, ah.
Kailan niyo po ipapaimbasa ko yung asawa ko? Isang linggo na rin po kasi baka bumangon po yung bangko.
Anak, alam ko na kwarto ka ng tatay mo. Bakit ka meron nito, ha? Bakit may picture ka nang nawawala akong anak? Hindi mo ba talaga ako nakakaalala? Hindi. Sabihin mo sa akin, buhay pa ba ang anak ko? Umalis ka na. Marami pa akong gagawin. Buhay pa ba ang anak ko? Oo! Buhay na buhay ako! Ako ang anak mo. Iniwan mo sa palengke dati. Nagtataka ka? Isa na akong chance ngayon. Alam mo, buti na lang, may mabait at mayamang pamilyang kumupot sa akin. Kaya magabi yung okay ko. Tignan mo, naging doktor pa ako. Kaya salamat sa'yo at iniwan mo ko. Tinanap kita. Umasa ako na babalik ka. Hindi na importante yan. Ayaw na kita makita at hindi na kita kailangan. Kaya umalis ka na. Hello po, kamusta po yung pasyente? Dok, si nanay naman yung nagkasakit. Kamusta na siya? Okay naman. Sa iba ko na lang siya ipapaasikaso, ha? Anak? Anak, please! Bakit anak tawag mo sa kanya, Nay? Sure ka ba? Na habang buhay ka magagalit sa nanay mo? Nakita ko results niya kanina. Anytime, pwede siya mawala. Papahangin lang ako. Nasaan na sila? Hello, nurse? Nasaan yung pasyente kita dito sa room
Breakfast bagel bomb. I
214?
have my
Anak?
bagels here, fresh from the bakery.
Ako
I'm
ba
going to take my
hanap
cup and
mo?
just
Nay,
cut a hole in the center, making a little bit of a
akala
wider
ko
area for us to
may
work
masamang
with.
nangyari
Place it on
sa'yo,
top with some
na.
cheddar cheese, and then a few strips
Hindi,
of bacon
hindi
on
na
top
kita
along with an
iiwan.
egg. Bake it all
Good
together.
news!
It's so convenient.
Dorm
Boss,
room
alam mo
cheeseburger,
pala
guys.
nakita
All you
namin
need is
result
a nice
sa
waffle
nanay
machine,
mo.
seasoned ground beef, little
Sabihin,
cheddar, a bun, and little
nagiging
bacon.
okay
Check it out. This is easy on the price. It's
Salamat
cheesy on the
naman.
meat. We're gonna go ahead and grab this baby
Nay,
open, put it right
huwag mo
inside.
nawala ka sa akin,
Come through with the
ha?
pickles, of course, and
Yay,
that's
may
it. You are
ate
ready
na
to go. Look
ako.
at that. Took under it.
Chef Club Egg Benedict fried egg. We're going to go ahead and place a boiled egg right in the center and a fried egg around it with all of the fixings. We're going to add bacon, cheddar, some herbs, and this delicious egg benny is ready to be topped on an English muffin with some hollandaise. We're going to drizzle that right across the top.
Easiest, cheesy pepperoni breadsticks. I've got my string cheese here. I'm just gonna lay it right on top of my pizza dough and then top it with my pepperonis, fold the other side of my pizza dough over, and then just give these a quick slice, and your breadsticks are already ready to go. Let's just brush them with some egg wash before we bake these off. And then of course we wanna serve them with some dipping sauce. So I'm gonna make a pizza dip here, just using my flavored cream cheese, some marinara sauce, mozzarella, parmesan, some chopped up bacon, and of course top it with some more pepperonis. Let's head into the oven with these, bake them at 350 degrees until you have a beautiful golden breadstick like this. We're gonna brush it with some herb garlic butter, and then go ahead and dip this cheesy breadstick right into our pizza dip.
Mare, magkano tong sitaw? 50 na lang sa'yo, Mare. Ang mahal naman, Mare. Pwede benta na lang to. Nakalaruan ba yun? Ang ganda na. O siya, sige
Easiest
na.
party
Mare
sauce,
naman
lava
kita
cake.
eh.
For the
Gusto
dinosaur
ko
lover in
sa'yo
your life,
eh.
here we're gonna make some great little
Tara na,
decorations for our
anak.
cake using melted chocolate with some cookie cutters. Place them onto the sprinkles
lugar
with melted
na
chocolate and
to?
allow it to set. Here, I'm just gonna take my
Saan
mold. I'm gonna place
batang
it
yun?
in my
Nasaan na si
sorbet.
nanay?
Put a red velvet cake on top. Place
Nay,
that into the freezer to
anak.
chill. I'm gonna pour over my
Ate,
chocolate magic shell. This is a great
nakita ko yung
2-ingredient
bata
magic shell
dito.
with
Ay,
coconut
wala
oil
po akong
and melted
nakita
chocolate.
eh.
We're gonna crack the
Saan
shell to
ba
get that
yun?
perfect lava
Anak.
look. Add our cute
Simula
little
noon,
party source dinosaurs.
hindi ko na nakita
And
yung
the
kuya
party
mo
is
sa
ready.
ulit.
This is great
Hanggang
for
sa
anyone in your life who
may
loves
pumunta
dinosaurs.
pulis
Get our
sa
cute little
bahay
glass.
natin.
I'm gonna fill it up
Ang
with our
sabi
strawberry
nila,
milkshake. This is a healthy
patay
version
na daw
with the
siya.
smoke,
Grabe
Greek
naman
yogurt,
yung
and
nangyari
strawberry.
kay
Here, I'm just
Kuya
gonna finish
Nay.
piping the
Ang
face
lungkot
and then
naman
take
po
a half
pala
a
yung
marshmallow
nangyari
and press
sa
that into
Kuya ni
our glass here.
Scarlett.
See that little face there? How cute.
Sige na po,
Right,
ma'am.
and press this.
Kailangan
Now
ko
it's time
po
for our
bisitahin
bunny ears.
yung
We're
mga
taking
ibang
a marshmallow
pasyente.
and we're gonna cut it
Sige
in half
po,
with our
Dok.
scissors.
Salamat po.
Just gonna flip the sides so they match up like
Anak,
this. Press it
ang
into our sprinkles.
importante,
You
makakauwi
wanna
ka
press
na
in the cut
bukas.
side because that's
Opo,
the sticky
Nay.
sides, and you don't have to
Makakapag-thirst trap na ako
And the
ulit.
bottom, gonna cut a slit just like this. We're gonna place it onto our glass. This is such a cute activity for Easter. This is a great way to start off your Easter weekend with your family. My
Anak,
kids
tara
love
na, uwi
this.
na tayo.
It's a great way to serve
Nay,
their favorite
may
drink, strawberry
pinapabigay
milkshake.
pala si Doc sa'yo.
Now we're gonna add our little bunny paws. These are so cute. Let's
Ano
pop
naman
it
kaya
on the
to?
front. Now it's time to fill up Easter pepperoni pizza egg. I'm gonna start off with my pizza dough here, and we're
Ano
going to be building this
nangyari
up
yun?
into the coolest Easter egg, perfect for Easter Sunday. If you guys want to have a little pizza for the kids.
Nandito
I'm
na
gonna
ako,
start by draining
mahal.
the
Mahal,
edges
ikaw ba
because
yan?
it's already starting to
Akala
look
ko
like an
ba bukas
Easter egg.
ka pa
Let's add some
uuwi?
pizza sauce,
Siyempre,
a little
gusto kita
mozzarella cheese,
i-surprise,
of course,
mahal.
some
Ito naman,
pepperonis.
puro ka
And then once we got our
surprise.
pepperonis lined up, I've got
Wait,
some red
wait.
peppers,
Si
some
tatay
yellows,
ba
some
yun?
green, and
Tara,
I just cut
ate,
these to
silipin
line
natin.
outside of
Dami
the
na
pepperonis. You
nagbago
can see
sa
it's
bahay
already
natin,
taking shape. It's
mahal.
just like an Easter egg.
Si
I'm gonna
tatay
brush
nga!
garlic butter,
Yay!
flavor
Nandito
that
na si
bacon pizza sauce.
tatay!
Easy
Mga
Italian
anak,
cheesy bun
namiss ko
burger, guys.
kayo!
This is so
Namiss ka
good.
din
It's
namin,
salsa,
tay.
cheesy bun.
Huwag ka nang
We're rolling
babalik
it
sa
all up
abroad,
into a
ah.
twisted fashion.
Hindi
So I
ko
have
na
some
kayo
pizza dough
iiwan,
here
mga
that I
anak.
just laid out
Yes,
flat,
di na
threw
babalik
some
si tatay
cheddar
sa
on it,
abroad.
roll it up,
Ito,
place
may
it,
regalo
and
pala
then
ako kay
push it down
Scarlett.
like that.
Wow!
Mix these
Ano
up
kaya
into
laman
one
nito?
all-in-one super easy
naman,
to make, and we will
gumastos ka
start
pa.
building this
Hayaan
burger.
mo na,
Don't
mahal.
need much cheese
Hindi
because these
na ako
buns are already
sa mga
loaded with
anak
that.
ko. Meron din ba ako regalo, tay? Siyempre naman, ikaw pa ba makakalimutan ko, Brianna? O, ito. Yay! May regalo din ako! Oh, matulog na kayo, ah. Kami naman ang tatay mo yung magbabanding. Sige po, Nay, matutulog na kami. Bubuksan ko na to. Tara na, mahal. May pasalubong din ako sa kwarto. Hello, Tay.
Scarlett, alis na kayo sa bahay na yan. Kasama mo kapatid mo pati nanay mo.
Bakit po? Nasaan kayo?
Yung lalaki mo umuwi dyan kagabi. Hindi ako yun, anak. Umalis na kayo dyan ngayon na.
Nay!